Hey guys, so from today onwards, I will be starting a very important SQL interview series in which I will be solving each day one interview question from asked in top interview companies like Google, Microsoft, OYO, Zomato, and even the questions that are being asked in service-based companies like Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, and all. So basically, in this particular channel you will get all the knowledge related to data analytics domain, be it SQL, be it Python, be it Power BI. So from now on I will be starting very slowly, and this is the very first video that I'm recording. So yeah, let's get started. So today's question is basically the question which is being asked in OYO interview before. So the question basically says, write an SQL query to find the month with the highest revenue for each city. Assume a bookings table with column city, revenue, and the booking date. So basically we are already been given the input table as you can see in the screen, and the output table that has been given. Based on the input table, we have to write the MySQL query to get the desired output. So let's understand the question first. We have the city, we have the revenue, we have the booking date. We have in the city column, we have two same cities, but the revenue generated by the cities are different, and they have different dates also. And for each city, what is the highest revenue? We need to find out that along with the month number and the date. So what is the logic that I'm getting here is basically we have to use the window functions, and the window function that we'll be using here will be the rank function, and we will be assigning rank to all of the cities starting from New York to Chicago, and that to partition based on the city column. So let's write the query, and before that I want everyone that first try it by yourself, and that to try in the notepad. Do not write the query in your compiler, because 90% of the chances in the interview you will be asked to write the query in the WordPad or in the notepad. So let's open the notepad first, and here I have already written the create table and the insert table. We now require to write the query. So let's begin the query. So let's write select. We need the city column, we need the revenue, and we need to find the month number and the month name. So we can use the date format functions, and inside the date format we have to specify which particular column. It is booking underscore date, comma, what is the format. The format is basically, I'm sorry, percentage y and percentage m, close the braces, give it as alias name as highest revenue month. Don't worry about the create table and the insert table. I will give the all the details in the description. You can check it out also. And here you will be using the rank function, rank over, and inside this, very important, we have to use the by. Partition by, we need to find the city, and order by revenue in descending order. Close the braces, give the aliases as rnk from the bookings table. Don't worry about the spelling mistakes. You can make as many spelling mistakes as you want, but make sure you do not write the wrong logic. So once we have written this query, we have to put this query inside a CTE or common table expressions. So with CTE as this, we have to find select, we need the city, we need the highest revenue month. So you can basically copy that from here, control C, control V, and along with that we need the revenue from the above CTE table, where RNK or rank is equal to 1. So once you have written this query, so You have to explain why you have exactly written this query. And to verify the particular query, let's run this particular query in our compiler. You can use any compiler. I'm just using the online compiler that is available in the Google. Just paste this particular query. I think we have made some mistakes here. Let's view it. That's why I'm keeping the video very raw. Yeah, I have made this mistake. I forgot to give the parenthesis, and let's run this code. Yeah, so here you can get the output, desired output you got. That is Chicago, 600 is the highest revenue. For Los Angeles, 700 is the highest revenue. And for New York, 800 is the highest revenue. So that's it for today. This is how you can actually solve it. But make sure you always try to write the query in the notepad first, because or you will always be asked to write the query in the notepad or in the wordpad. Very few times you will be getting any kind of compiler, because the question the interpreter will be given is just the input table and the output table. You will not be required to write any kind of insert statement or create statement. So yeah, that's it for today's video. This question has been asked in OYO in the previous interview. Make sure to practice, and we will come up with more such questions in future. Till then, keep loving, keep supporting the channel. This is my first video that I'm uploading, and yeah, every single day I will be uploading. Yeah, thank you very much.